Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benanin, and for today's video, we are moving away from the sunscreen videos for this week, and instead we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. So I've been getting a lot of questions about how I get my hair like this. Lots of people seem to think that it's my real hair. It's not. This is what my natural hair looks like, but I wanted to show you guys how I did this. It's very simple, and it lasted me for about 3 weeks, and it's very low maintenance. So basically, to start out, I just am starting on clean hair. My hair has been washed, conditioned. Look at the growth. And then it is braided down into just cornrows. I'm using the Outre X-Pression's twisted up hair. This hair is usually used for like locks, like butterfly locks, but I decided to use it just as is. So it's called the Springy Afro twist. This is a 16-inch version. They do have a longer version if you want to use that, but I like the shorter one because I like a shorter, more tamed fro. It comes in 3 bundles within 1 pack. I ended up just using those 3 bundles and 1 pack of hair for my entire head. The first time that I used it, I think I actually used 1.5 packs, but this time I was able to use it with just 1 pack of hair. I think it depends on how you separate the hair. So this is me separating it. I just take one little bundled section and keep splitting it basically until I get the right size that I want. This is about the size that I'm using for the front. In the back, I'm using a little bit of bigger pieces. I think I've already done a video on crocheting, but I will just break it down for you in case you don't know how to do it. And I'll also try to link some more videos down below that do a better job of actually attaching the hair. So basically, I fold the hair in half, put my crochet needle through, place the hair on the little hook thing, close the latch, pull it through, and then I open the loop and I just double knot it. I am doing the regular crochet method pretty much for the entirety of my hair besides the middle section, and I will come back and show you guys how I do the invisible part on the middle section because that's a little bit different. But everywhere else, I'm basically just double knotting it like normal and moving on. So I guess I'll just let you guys watch this because I don't know how to keep explaining the same thing, but it's the same method throughout my head. This is one section of the 1 pack. I've gotten to here. So literally one bundle, and I have 2 more. So I'm pretty sure I can just do this in 1 pack this time. So like I said, this is what it looks like with 1 bundle out of that 1 pack. I've really been splitting it a ton. I noticed that if you do bigger sections, you'll end up using more hair and you'll have bigger hair. If that's what you're looking for, go ahead. But I prefer it looking like this because I feel like it looks a little bit more natural. So I'm using pretty small pieces, especially in the front. So I'm continuing basically the rest of my hair. And when we get to the center, I will show you what that looks like. All right, now that I've made it to the center, I'm using the invisible knot method. So that means I put my latch through and I pull it out like normal. And instead of grabbing both pieces, both ends of it to add in the loop, I just grab 1 strand like you're seeing now. I have the loop on one side and the 2 strands on the other side. I grab 1 strand and double knot it through the loop, and I leave the other strand out. That way, that strand that's on one side is able to cover up my knot on the other side. So I don't know if it's making sense, me explaining it. I feel like it's easier to just watch it, and I'll show it to you guys a couple times. Okay, I'm going to show it to you again. I pushed the crochet hook through my knot, my cornrows. I attach the hair after it's folded in half, close the hook, and pull it through. And now you're going to end up with a loop on one side and then 2 strands of hair on the other side. You keep one strand out. I think it's sometimes easier to like pin it to the side, or I'm just putting it in my mouth. And then I take the other strand and I basically pull it through the hole twice. So I'm just double knotting it. Pull it through, twist it, pull it through, twist it. And then I tighten it so that my knot is on one side of my braid, and then the hair on the other side is able to cover up that knot. And that's how I make it look a little bit more natural in the part. So on this side of my hair, I'm putting the crochet needle in on the other side of the cornrow, and then I'm following the same steps. I hope that makes sense. If you do it this way, then your knot will end up on the side that you actually want it to. So you just have to be mindful of that. It's very simple once you get it down, and it goes pretty fast, I think. All right, I'm pretty much done. This is what a full pack of hair looks like. And like I said, you can use a little more, a little less, depending on how you like it. But this is what one pack looks like for me. I have it spaced out quite a bit in the back, and then it's pretty full in the front. That's just how I like it. I'm going to go in and trim it. I feel like I could wear it just like this. But like I said, I was going for a more tamed fro look this time. So I'm going ahead and I'm trimming it and making sure that I don't have any stray pieces, and I'm getting the fro to look a little bit smaller this time. And I'm not very good at trimming hair, so I'm literally, there's no method to my madness. I'm just chopping as I see fit.
I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why, I don't know why. You love that summer rain in mid-July, mid-July. My last name fits you better. When I'm with you, there's no pressure. I miss your worn-out sweaters. Weather couldn't compromise our love. I spent too much time on us, and I think you got me stuck on loving. You can't function. I gotta tell you all my secrets, and you know that just ain't easy for me. Oh, baby, won't you come to my town? Last time around, you ain't come to my house. Stay for a while, me, my mama, and my family. We'll see, let's see. I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why, I don't know why. You love that summer.
So now that I have trimmed the hair a little bit, to make the center look a little bit less like fresh and clean cut, I go in with a rat tail comb and I just back comb the section a little bit just to get the parting to look a little bit more natural. And this is what the texture looks like. This is what the parting looks like from this angle. And you can pretty much go ahead and be done with the look like this. I decided to add a little bit more pizzazz, so I put a couple strands in the center, in the front, and then I am just doing a 2-strand twist to them and adding a couple of beads. I just wanted to like zhuzh it up this time because I've already worn this look like it was. So adding those to my hair and then tying it with the rubber band, and then that will pretty much be the finished look. I love this hair because I feel like the longer you wear it, the more natural it looks. So this is what it looks like on day 1, and then you guys will see a clip at the end of what it looks like on like day 3, I think. And to wear it at night, I just take my silk scarf and tie it down like normal. You can also put it in a pineapple. You can just throw your bonnet on it. I tie it down so that it keeps its shape, and this is what it usually looks like. And if you don't like it looking this flat, obviously you can go in and fluff it up some more, but this is what I was going for, and I really like the way it turned out. and I swear every day that I wear this, it looks more natural. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more hair videos, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Next week, we're going back to our regular sunscreen content. Bye!